Hello children, today we are going to start with chapter first, that is globe, latitudes and longitudes. So in this chapter we will study about what is globe. It is the model of the earth, right? And then we have latitudes, the line which is parallel to each other are the lines of latitude like 0 degree equator. Here I will show you. Like this is 0 degree equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. So what are these? These are the lines of parallels. Then we have in between prime meridian 0 degree. What are these? These are lines of longitude. खड़ी हुई line है. What are these? These are lines of longitudes. Right? So here the mind map is given. You have to complete them. Right? Now let's move towards the chapter. As you know that what is globe? What is globe? You have already studied. It is three-dimensional model of the earth. And its shape is spherical in shape. जिसकी shape है वो spherical है. And you know that just like earth, जो हमारा globe है, it is also tilted on its axis, right? वो अपनी axis पे क्या है? Tilted है at an angle of 23.5 degrees. It is mounted on the stand. एक stand पे खड़ा होता है जो उसको allow करता है क्या करने में? Rotate करने में. Right? So it has two endpoints marked over North Pole and South Pole. North Pole at the top and the South Pole at the bottom. Right? Next, a globe displays shape, size, location of various continents, countries, oceans, seas, providing more accurate representation of these features compared to flat map. It helps us to understand relative position and size of different geographical position. आप इससे क्या समझते हैं उसके relative position और उसके geographical features. So as you know that the globe was developed to aid geographer what another studying earth and its features. जिससे हम क्या कर सकें अर्थ और उसके फीचर्स को efficiently अच्छे से समझ पाएं. Unlike map which presents a flattened view of the earth, a globe offers three-dimensional perspective. और जो globe है उसका कैसा perspective है? Three-dimensional. Because of its spherical nature, we cannot view the entire surface of the earth. क्योंकि वो spherical है तो आप one time में पूरे entire इसकी surface को नहीं देख पाते. Now another topic is how do globes help understand the world. First is visual representation, right? So it is a visual representation of the earth. What it shows is exact form and shape, right? We can see what we can see over here, continents and oceans. The exact way as it looks from the space. Next is distribution of the land if we talk about land and water. As you know that it tells us about the correct distribution of land and water. कितना land है और कितना water. Right? Next is correct shape and size को बताता है. Direction, north, south, east and west. These are the four direction and what we call them cardinal points also. Day and night cycle. Globe helps us learn how the formation of day and night. Everyone knows due to rotation. What it causes? Day and night. Then we have key elements of globe. What are the different key elements of the globe? First is axis. Axis means it's an imaginary line which passes through the center of the earth, right? One end of the axis is North Pole and other end is South Pole. Next is equator. It is an imaginary line which run how? Horizontally. Where? In the middle of the earth. And the equator divides the earth into two equal halves. Then we have hemisphere. We have equator. Let me show you over here. This is equator 0 degree. It's divide the earth into two equal parts. Upper part, this is northern hemisphere and bottom part is southern hemisphere. You can understand by that the equator. Then we move from equator to North Pole. It is northern hemisphere. When we move towards South Pole is southern hemisphere. right? Next, we have latitudes. I have told you about the line which is drawn horizontally on the globe are latitudes, and line which globe drawn vertically. What are these? These are longitudes. Next, latitudes. What are latitudes? These are imaginary horizontal line. What we call them? Imaginary horizontal line. And how do they run? They run parallel to each other. Right, let's study about the features of latitudes. Equidistance and parallel. हर एक लाइन क्या फॉर्म करती है? अपने आप में कंप्लीट सर्कल फॉर्म करती है. व्हाट दे फॉर्म? कंप्लीट सर्कल. इक्विडिस्टेंस है, एक दूसरे से पैरेलल रन करती है. आई हैव शोन यू. राइट, नेक्स्ट इज इक्वेटर विच इज द लॉन्गेस्ट लाइन ऑफ द लैटिट्यूड. What it's do? It's divide the earth into two equal halves. Northern hemisphere upper part, southern hemisphere bottom part. Right? So, next we have measurement. So as you know that latitude is measured always in degree. Latitudes को हम किसमें measure करते हैं? Degree में. And equator is at 0 degree. They expressed in degrees and minutes. As we move towards the poles, latitudes are represented with North Pole and South Pole. North Pole that is 90 degree N and South Pole that is 90 degree S. Now climatic zones. As you know that what does latitudes define? Different climatic zone. For instance, tropical climates are found at equator, temperate climate between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle, and polar climates are near the poles. Right? Next is important latitudes. There are 5 important latitudes. I have told you equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. Equator 0 degree, Tropic of Cancer 20 degree and a half north. ये नॉर्थ में लाई करता है और ये नॉर्दर्न मोस्ट लाइन है. ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर साउथ में लाई करता है, तो 23.5 साउथ. नाउ वी हैव आर्टिक सर्कल that is 66.5. What it marks? The boundary of polar disk, that is midnight, sun and winter is experienced. Then we have Antarctic circle 66.5 south, and it marks the boundary of polar region in southern hemisphere. Now we will study about what longitudes. First, let me show you over here the different lines of latitude. This is 0 degree equator, 23.5 Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 south. This is north. Then we have Arctic circle 66.5 south, Antarctic circle, sorry. We have Arctic circle that is 66.5 north. So what is this? This is equator. This is Tropic of Cancer. This is Tropic of Capricorn. This is Antarctic circle. This is Arctic circle. Right? These are the important lines of latitude. And here is marked 90 degree north. And here what do we mark? 90 degree south. Right? Now let's start with the next topic, that is longitude. So what are longitude? जैसे हम horizontal lines बनाते हैं, ये हम vertical lines बनाते हैं. What? And these lines run from North Pole to South Pole. Now what are its features? Lines of longitudes. What are these? These are the lines which are placed vertically on the map. There are, well, how there are up and down, and there are 180 lines that lies to the east and 180 to the west. Then we have prime meridian, which is located at 0 degree. And it divides the earth into eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Prime meridian is taken as the starting point of measuring what? Longitude. Then we have measurement. So longitude lines are measured in degree, ranging from 0 degree at prime meridian to 180 degree in east and west. Now distance between lines. On line latitudes line are equidistant from each other and the distance between longitude line varies. अगर हम distance की बात करें तो वो vary करता है. Now calculate the time. How you will calculate the time using longitudinal lines? So the prime meridian is 0 degree, while international date line जो होती है वो roughly run करती है. वो straight नहीं है. Like this, it's roughly run. Like this is your international date. Right? These lines are important coordinating global time and date changes. Right? So the prime meridian is also called Greenwich meridian because it passes through Royal Observatory Greenwich meridian. So here the difference is given. You may read it, right? Similar it is. Like latitudes are circles of different size. They move up from widest part to the poles. And longitudes is semicircles होते हैं and they go from one pole to another. Latitudes are parallel and longitudes meet at poles. Latitudes are number from 0 degree to 90 degree north and longitudes are number from 0 degree longitude to 180 degree east or west. Here you can see the international date line. First may I show you. It is like this. It's not straight. This is your international date line. Now, international date line is an imaginary line which is located at 180 degree east or west of prime meridian. It runs from North Pole to South Pole. You can keep track on the time as well as date. If you cross international date line, the date and time changes. If we travel eastward and cross the line, we subtract a day, and if we travel westward, we add a day, right? So, international date line is not a straight line. It runs zigzag around the island to keep the same dates on those islands. Now locating places. If you want to locate the different places, so these parallels and meridians helps us in locating places on the globe. The knowledge of either of them is not enough. We must know both of them for finding exact location. The parallels and meridian cross each other and once they form network, and what we call that network a grid. It helps in locating different places. The point at which parallel and meridian, जहाँ पे parallel और meridian दोनों को क्रॉस करते हैं, वो किसको डिनोट करते हैं? एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन ऑफ दैट प्लेस. So the world today has become a global village. In order to maintain international uniformity, one uniform time corresponding to the prime meridian is adopted by the all countries. इसमें देखा सबने क्या करा है? सेम ही टाइम को, एक यूनिफॉर्म टाइम को हमने क्या करा है? रखा. Here some words are given. You have to unscramble them. Like first is axis, second is globe, and then we have equator and we have grid. Right? So now this was all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.